Hey everyone, and welcome back. Creating your first support ticket in Zendesk is simple. Let me show you exactly how. First, log into your Zendesk account. From the dashboard, click the Add button in the top menu bar. Select Ticket from the drop-down menu. This opens the ticket creation form. Now, fill in the requester. This is the customer's name and email address. You can also search for existing customers if they've contacted you before. Choose the ticket form. If you set up multiple forms like billing or tech support, select the one that fits the issue. Write a clear subject line and a detailed description of the problem. Add any attachments if needed. Screenshots are really helpful. Next, assign the ticket to an agent or leave it unassigned for your team to pick up. Set the priority to urgent, high, normal, or low. Finally, click Submit. Your ticket is now live in the system and ready to be worked on. And that's it. You've just created your first support ticket in Zendesk. If you use Zendesk for your team, let me know what your first ticket was about in the comments. See you in the next one.